early. Sleep schedule's a little off. Bit of a rough morning. I don't really want to talk about that, but I'm doing all right. It's pretty out there. There's a lot of days when I'm just doing okay. Not too great, not too bad. But I just look outside and I'm like, gee whiz. Like, it's so good looking outside. I love the snow. So, oh hey, that's a good story. So this morning, it's not what I didn't like about my morning. This was interesting. I was eating breakfast and suddenly got the call. Someone needed help unloading a hot tub from like a big truck, you know. So I went. We helped unload that hot tub. Jeez, wow! It was really hard to unload. I didn't think it was coming off the truck. Like, it was just not a great size. I feel bad for the guy who was driving the truck, because he wouldn't have been able to do it if he didn't have people there to help. I needed another hot tub to deliver. I'm a little worried for him, you know. Like, what if, like, I don't know, he's gonna need to deliver more hot tubs, huh? Don't know he's gonna do that. But, oh, we're going under a bridge. Train bridge. Oh, and now we're coming into a town. Gee willikers. You know, for better or for worse, towns break up road trips. This one here is it's not bad. Not bad. But, you know, it's like, because on one hand, it gives you a lot more to see. That's a wonderful thing. But it's really a bother to be driving 60 miles an hour and then need to slow down 38, 40. Watch out for, like, stoplights and stuff. But, oh well. That's how it goes, yeah? If we didn't have any towns, what would we be? I mean, we'd either be a really big city or just lots of country houses. So, oh, that's odd. That car, when he turned on his blinker, his signal, you know, there weren't any lights. Turned off all of his brake lights, you know, I don't know. Must be malfunctioning a lot. Oh, let's race this truck. Just kidding, I'm not into that life. I might be. Not if I'm in town though and there's people around. And this car, I mean, I love it. It's not too fast. Plus, I mean, there's no reason to rile up people right now. I'm not really a racer. But I mean, hey, if I had the chance to go, like, learn to drive a race car, that'd be fun. I'd enjoy it. I'm not, like, super into racing, but I'd take it. You know, when I ask questions, I really am curious what you'll say. I know sometimes it feels like you ask questions, but really you only ask questions so you can say what you think. And I just wanted to let you know that's not what's happening here. I really do care what you're thinking. Sometimes I care about what you're thinking a lot more than what I'm thinking, because I'm not thinking very much. Rule of thumb. How much is Andrew thinking? Measure your thumb, it's about that long. Or much. I don't know. Or sometimes I'm thinking too much. I mean, it's like I'm always thinking too much, and yet somehow I don't think enough about some things I say. But I've had people tell me sometimes that's endearing, I guess, because I'll say things and then I'll realize, oh no, I've gravely insulted people's families and their emotional and well, no, not their emotional well-being, but I've insulted people. Not trying to. I just have. Sometimes I say the wrong things. But all I wanted to let you know was this conversation that we're having. I really do care what you're thinking more than what I'm thinking. So, oh hey, it's a mine. It's a big miner painted on a sign. I don't know if you can see him, but he's there. The other day, I said that the intro was frankly kind of sad. I'll be real with you. I said that, and I was re-listening to it. It's not that sad. It's not too sad. It's kind of happy. I worked really hard to make it happy. I don't know why I was so sure that it was sad. It's not as happy as like a ukulele strum, but not too bad. It's interesting. I hope we can make it there before nightfall. I know how it's hard for you to see if it gets dark out. Even right now, perhaps. I'm not sure. I'm guessing, the way that you're looking at me right now, you're probably seeing way too much ceiling. You're like, Andrew, I don't want to see that ceiling. I want to look out the window. I want to see your beautiful face. That's what... Joke. But, I'll work on it. I'll make sure that really we can fine-tune this, this whole thing. I've already been, thinking. So. Oh, lots of towns. Bother. Nothing against the people in Loretto. I just don't care for slowing down. I do. I just don't care for it. But. Oh, hey. I need to stop and get something fixed. Or maybe I can do it on the road. Is it me or is that car in the wrong lane? Why does this happen to me? Oh gee. Wowza. Yeah, that car was just parked in my lane. They were helping someone. Still though, dangerous thing. I hope they're all okay.